Hey there, if you're scratching your head about how to download apps from the Apple App Store on your iPhone, don't sweat it, I'm here to help. Downloading apps is pretty simple, and I'll guide you through it step by step. Let's dive into it. Method 1. Download an app using the App Store. Open the App Store on your iPhone. First, make sure that your App Store is connected to your Apple ID. Without an Apple ID, you won't be able to install apps on your iPhone, so be sure to sign in with your Apple ID here. Then tap the Search tab at the bottom of the screen. After that, enter the name of the app you want to download in the search box. Then tap Search. Next, find the app you're looking for in the search results and tap on it. Tap the Get button or the price if it's a paid app. If prompted, authenticate it with your Apple ID, Face ID, or Touch ID. The app will start downloading. Once it's done, you can open it right from your home screen. Method 2. Download an app from the App Store via App Store page. Open the App Store on your iPhone, then tap the Apps tab at the bottom of the screen to browse through categories. Next, find the app you want to download. After that, tap on it to see more details about the app. Then tap the Get button or the price if it's a paid app. Authenticate it with your Apple ID, Face ID, or Touch ID if needed. The app will download and show up on your home screen once it's finished. By following these steps, you'll be able to download any app from the App Store on your iPhone without any hassle. If you found this guide useful, let me know in the comments below.